What if the next 90 days could completely change how you feel about yourself? Not through extreme productivity, not through waking up at 4 a.m., not through a perfect morning routine, but through small actions you can actually stick to. Most people don't need a new life. They need a reset. If you've been feeling tired, unmotivated, stuck, overwhelmed, or disconnected from yourself, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple 90-day routine that can help you rebuild your mind, body, confidence, and discipline without turning your life upside down. Think of this as a personal reset challenge. One day at a time, let's break these 90 days into 3 phases. Phase 1. Reset. Days 1 to 30. The goal is not improvement. The goal is recovery. Before building a better version of yourself, you need to stop doing the things that are draining you. Habit 1. Fix your sleep. For the next 30 days, focus on sleeping and waking up at roughly the same time. You don't need a miracle morning. You need consistent rest. A tired mind makes everything feel harder than it really is. Habit 2. Start every day without your phone. For the first 30 minutes after waking up, avoid social media. Most people start their day consuming other people's lives before living their own. Instead, drink water, stretch, sit quietly, plan your day, protect your morning energy. Habit 3. Walk for 20 minutes daily. Walking is one of the most underrated habits. No expensive equipment, no gym membership, just movement. It clears your mind, reduces stress, and gives you space to think. Habit 4. Clean one, small area, daily. Your room, your desk, your wardrobe. Just one area. A cluttered environment often creates a cluttered mind. Small acts of order create mental clarity. Habit 5. Brain dump before bed. Take 5 minutes every night and write down what's bothering you, what went well today, what you need to do tomorrow. This simple habit prevents your thoughts from following you into sleep. After 30 days, don't expect a new life. Expect something more valuable, a calmer mind, more energy, less chaos, and a feeling that you're finally moving again. Phase 2. Rebuild, days 31 to 60. Now that you've stopped leaking energy, it's time to rebuild confidence. Confidence doesn't come from motivation. It comes from keeping promises to yourself. Habit 6. The one important task rule. Every morning ask, what is the one thing that would make today successful? Focus on completing that first, not 10 tasks, just one meaningful task. Consistency beats intensity. Habit 7. Read 10 pages daily. Not because reading is magical, because it trains focus. In a world full of scrolling, reading teaches your brain how to stay present. 10 pages a day equals hundreds of pages in 90 days. Habit 8. Learn one useful skill. Spend 20 to 30 minutes daily learning something valuable. Examples: communication, public speaking, writing, financial literacy. Small daily learning compounds faster than you think. Habit 9. Practice saying no. Many people aren't exhausted because they're busy. They're exhausted because they're available to everyone. Protect your time. Protect your energy. Not every invitation deserves a yes. Habit 10. Track small wins. Every night, write down one thing you did right, no matter how small. Maybe you exercised. Maybe you resisted procrastination. Maybe you had a difficult conversation. Your brain naturally focuses on what's wrong. Train it to notice progress. End of phase 2. By now you'll notice something interesting. Your circumstances may not have changed much, but your relationship with yourself has. You're becoming someone who follows through, and that changes everything. Phase 3. Reinvent, days 61 to 90. Now it's time to create the future version of yourself. Not through fantasies, through action. Habit 11. Become intentional with your time. At the start of each week, decide what matters most, what can wait, what should be eliminated. Stop reacting to life. Start directing it. Habit 12. Upgrade your circle. You become similar to the people and content you consume. Spend more time around positive people, growth-focused communities, inspiring books and podcasts. Your environment shapes your identity. Habit 13. Weekly reflection. Every Sunday, ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What should I improve next week? Most people repeat the same month 12 times and call it a year. Reflection creates growth. Habit 14. Do one hard thing every week, something uncomfortable. Examples: speaking up in a meeting, starting a project, applying for a job, setting a boundary, talking to someone new. Growth lives outside comfort. Habit 15. Create a vision for the next 90 days. At the end of this journey, sit down and write, who do I want to become? What habits do I want to keep? What goals matter most? A rebuilt life needs direction. Otherwise, old habits return. The truth is, rebuilding yourself isn't a dramatic transformation. It's not one big decision. It's hundreds of small decisions repeated daily. The person you want to become already exists in your daily habits, not in your goals, not in your dreams, not in your motivation, in what you repeatedly do. 90 days from now, you'll arrive somewhere. The only question is, will you arrive there by accident or by design? Start with day 1. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Because small improvements every day can create a version of you that feels completely different just 90 days later. If you were starting your 90-day reset today, what's the one habit you'd commit to first? Let's inspire each other in the comments. Drop a comment below. Every click brings us closer. Subscribe for more stories.